Hello friends and family, iTeacher Group, fellow teachers, online teachers. This is Miss Cecilia, teacher Miss Cici. Today's video is about how to share multimedia on your Manycam. Perhaps you're using this material to tutor your students, or you're having an online meeting, you have a YouTube video you want to share with your clients, and this is how you do it. Now, by this time, you have already set up your Manycam. And as you can tell, on my preset 6 here, my cursor is going to move down here. I'm going to right-click. I have lots of choices here. Currently, I'm using FaceTime camera with the full screen here. Okay. Now, I'm going to bring you to Video tab. Okay, Video tab. You select Picture-in-Picture mode right here. See, we've got a dark screen. Right-click, go down to Desktop. Okay. Go to App Window. Okay, let me bring it back. Desktop, App Window. Go to Safari. Here, I've got watermelon video. I have selected the video earlier on. I opened a Safari screen. And I can talk about, okay, so today we are making watermelon juice. Or we're making a smoothie. Do you like watermelon? But I don't want to show the whole video. I go on to talk about vegetables, and on a different tab, already opened VeggieTale. Look at the cucumber! It doesn't have hands! Right? Well, for a little kid, on the other hand, I might be playing my video. Oh no, no little ducks came back. Yes, maybe we can keep talking about other topics for younger kids. Now, in another room here, I have preset 4, a picture of me ready to celebrate Christmas. Okay, and in this preset, you cannot see my mouth. Okay, so it's basically just playing the video. Oh, so sad. Yes, maybe this is good for a 5-year-old listening to 5 little ducks. For a teenager, we might want to keep making watermelon. Now with this, I can actually pause anytime if anything is wrong, especially if I don't want to show any ads, right? So I want to keep today's video just explaining one thing, okay? So remember the step. We go to Video tab, Picture-in-Picture, okay? Come back here. Yes. Right-click the pull-down menu. Desktop. Now notice I did not go to YouTube, okay? If I copy and paste the link, it will be the entire video, okay? I want to be able to hop from video to video by setting up multiple tabs on my Safari, okay? So I did not use YouTube. I did not paste under YouTube here, okay? I selected desktop, Okay? And under app window, Safari. I have the hex. I show the video. Okay? I can pause it anytime I want and keep talking about the procedure. Perhaps this is a time that we can start writing the steps. Comment below what other technique you spotted on my screen today that you need a little bit more breakdown on separate videos. I will make them just for you, and I can also show you other interesting technique, and this is just one of them. I wanted to simplify it so you can follow each step and play with it each step of way. Until next time, this is Teacher Miss Cecelia. Thank you for watching. See you next time.